to write a couple of numbers here, a couple words here up on the board, and we're going to talk about, Riley, what these words mean before we get our lesson started today. So our first word that we need to know is the word digit. Say that word with me, everybody. Digit. Digit is a fancy way of just saying the word number. So it's a number from, it could be 0, it could be 1, 2, 3, it can go all the way up to 9. So 9 would be a digit, 3 would be a digit, any of those would be a digit. We're going to learn another word today that we're going to see a lot. This is the word regroup or regrouping. Say this whole word with me. Regrouping. Very good. Regroup or regrouping. You're going to hear this word all year long. You're going to hear the word next year too, and you're going to really need to know what this is. Regrouping, everybody, is when we take a group of 10 and trade them in for the next place value. This will all make sense in just a few more minutes. We're going to learn 2 adding strategies today. We're going to learn the regrouping strategy, and then we're also going to do a strategy that I call add all total strategy. Okay? And we'll talk about this in just a few. All right, so I promised you that you would be able to pick your items now. Here's what I would like for someone to choose for us. I need 2 items that we can purchase. Matthew J., what would you like to purchase? The Legos? Okay, the Legos with what? Pick another one for us. What's our other toy that you would like to buy, Matthew? Okay, so air hogs and Legos?
What?
Is that right? Yes. All right, so what we need to add, we need to put our numbers together now. So we're going to rewrite our new problem. Our new problem that we're going to write is 39 plus 94. 39 plus 94.
This is good. I was trying to get this thing to come up so I can put it back on, except then when I try to take it off, it gets like this. And it opens the marker.
So I should see 39 plus 94 written on your board right now. 39 plus 94. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good, Truth's ready. Sophia's ready. Good, Ronnie's ready. All right. Let's go ahead and try this next one. So I want you to show me, with your base 10 blocks, I want you to show me 39 on the top and 94 on the bottom. 39 on the top, 94 on the bottom.
Okay, you're going to want to show the same way you do with these. You do the other ones.
Show me 39. Where's 39 at?
Enough tens there for them all to show 9.
There should be enough tens. Okay,
Okay,
so
you're getting ahead of yourself.
remember what I asked you to do, Colin. I wanted you to put these on top of each other. We're going to put them
3 tens. How many ones?
vertically just like this. And here's what I would like for you to do, Colin. I want you to rewrite this so that your problem is vertical. It's going up and down from each other. Okay?
Lid on this one, you have to wait so it doesn't get.
Abby.
You have 3 10s and 9 ones. How many do you have?
All right, everybody. So right now what you should have is that you should have 39 on top and 94 on the bottom. So we need to start by adding which column? Are we doing 10s or 1s first? Try again. Ones. Boys and girls, it will be easier to add your ones first. Go from smallest to biggest. So let's try this again. What are you going to add first? 10s or 1s? Ones. All right, everybody, so let's check it out. 9 plus 4 equals what? 13. Oh boy, sounds like some of us need to study our 3s this week. So we've got, all right, let's do our 4s this week. We've got 9 plus 4. You told me it was 13.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. The number 13. What do we know about the number 13?
Above 10.
It's greater. Hold it. Let's try this one more time. 13 is greater than which number? 10. Thank you. So here's what I need to do. I need to group 9 and 1 more together to make 10. So I'm going to take my 9 ones plus my other 1, and I'm going to regroup and make 10. Now, what do I do when I have this extra group of 10? Someone raise their hand and tell me, what do I do when I have these 10 10s together? Ollie, what do I do? I'm going to regroup it. What am I going to regroup it for, Riley?
Regroup the little ones.
Traded it?
The 10 little ones for 110.
For 110. Very good. So everybody, I want you to take your 10 little ones that you have right now, and I want you to trade it in for a 10. And I want you to add your extra 10 over there for me.
3 plus 9.
We're not adding 3 plus 9. We're adding 9 plus 4. Okay? We're adding up and down. We're doing 9 and 4. Okay? So you don't have to. No, you're adding up and down together. So ready? So you're going to group these together. Here's your group of 10 now. So let's take your group of 10. Trade it in for what? 10. All right, there's your 10. Now where do we put that? Very good. Now we're going to put that up there. Perfect. All right, Christina, looking good. Now, Christina, did you get your extra 10 that you needed? Okay, where did you put your extra 10 at? Down here? All right, let's put it up here just to put it right up now. All right, everybody. So now, how many ones do we have left over?
3.
We've got 3 left over. All right, so now, let's go ahead and check this out. Let's look at our number sentence here. Let's look at our math equation. Eyes up here. What we just did is that we just did 9 plus 4, and we got a grand total of? 13. So let's think about what we just did. We brought down our 3. And where did we send that extra 1 over to?
The 10.
The 10s. Very good. So we're going to add it right over here. So now, everybody, what do we have to add now?
40 plus 9.
We already did the 1s, so now we have to, of course, add the...
4 plus 9.
We have to add the number in the 10s, right? So, oh, you know what? I see something that's going to be really easy to add together. Does anyone see up here 2 numbers that would be very easy to add? Sophia, what would be easy to add?
The 1, 3, and 9.
That would be pretty easy, but I've got something easier to start us all the way first. Colin, what would be easy to add?
3 and the 9.
Got something easier. Autumn?
3 and a 1.
Nope.
No.
Not 3 and 1. Peyton? 9 and 1. What does 9 and 1 make? It makes a 10. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 10 of my tens. So 10 of my tens, everybody. Let's put our 10 tens together. Now, what do we know about our 10 tens? I heard our regrouping bell go off over here somewhere. Ding, ding, ding. There's our regrouping bell. Now, if we hear our regrouping bell, we need to send our 10 groups of tens. 10 group of tens makes a what? A what? 100. It makes a 100. So, we need to take 10 of those tens, and now we need to turn it into a hundreds block. Let's turn it into a hundreds block. Trade that in. So now you should have one big block plus our extra tens. Good, okay? But we want to know how you got there, though. I'm not so worried about your answer. I want to know your strategies that we use. There you go. Okay, everybody, now let's give this a try here. How many tens do you have left over?
3.
3. Fantastic. So you know what? I'm going to bring down my 3 here. And how many hundreds do we have? 1. Only 1. So we can just bring down our 100 block. And we should have
133.
Yes, ma'am.
And that's the same answer as last time.
It was the same one as last time. I was hoping somebody would notice that one.
Yeah.
Good. So now, let's think back to our math equation now. Let's think of what we did next. We first did the 9 plus the 4 equals 13. You brought down your 3, and you carried your 1 over to your tens, right? Okay. So now we did 1 plus 9. What was 1 plus 9? 10. Plus 3 more was?
13.
13. You should have said to yourself, oh, 13 is greater than
10.
So I'm going to bring down my 3. And where did this extra 1 get sent over to, everybody?
Hundreds.
The where?
Hundreds.
The hundreds. Very good. So now let's add our hundreds together. 1 plus 0 equals?
1.
1. To make 133. All right? Here's what I would like for you to do right now. I would like for you to erase your boards.